The next time you're at Walmart, pick up a simple evergreen wreath. Take a basic tomato cage and flip it upside down. Using some florist wire or twist ties, gather the open ends together and twist them together with the ties. Take your newly fluffed wreath and slide it over the top of the tied tomato cage ends and push it to the other end of the cage. Take some string lights and slide the plug underneath the wreath and the tomato cage so you have access to the plug and about 5 to 6 inches of the strand. Wrap the string of lights around the tomato cage and on top of the wreath. Using some more florist wire, I actually used the twist ties that came with the string lights. Tie the light strand to the frame corner on the bottom of the tomato cage. Do this around the wreath at each connecting point of the frame. Continue to work your way around and up the tomato cage frame. Now, take the entire cage light unit, wreath and all, and nestle it on top of an outdoor planter. Pick up 2 small tabletop evergreen trees. Line up the trees bottom to bottom. Place some glue at connecting points of the trunks and hold until dry. Fluff out the branches of the trees on both sides. Take your sparkly picks and connect them to the center of the trees and arrange the berries into the branches of the trees. Take your hot glue gun and secure them in place with a little glue. Grab some ribbon in a coordinating pattern and tie a simple bow. Slide a piece of the wired evergreen strip through the back loop of the bow and tie the bow to the center of the swag. Take it a step further and glue your bottle brush, tree, and any other embellishment you like to the center of the swag. Hang your new swag vertically on your front door. Head to your local salvage, vintage, or thrift store and pick up some white glass globes and thoroughly clean the outside. Crack open a bottle of decoupage glue and thickly brush the glue all over the glass globe. Hold the glass globe over a large bowl and sprinkle ground glass glitter over the entire globe. Gently press and pat the glass glitter onto the decoupaged globe and then shake off the excess into the bowl. You will want to spray the globe with a clear spray adhesive. Take a string of twinkle lights and stuff them inside the glass globe.
Pick up 6 clear plastic punch bowls from Dollar Tree. Cut a round hole in the bottom of each punch bowl and then glue the bowls together top to top with hot glue. Take the 6 attached bowls and then glue the bases of the bowls together so that you have 3 bowl balls stacked vertically. Take an LED fairy light strand, wrap the string lights around a wood dowel and thread them through the center holes. Distribute the fairy lights into each bowl. Place the bowl stack on top of a planter. Hot glue the bow, pine cones, and Christmas ornaments to the top of the bowls.
The first thing I'm going to do is take my pool noodle, and we're obviously going to take the sticker off, and then I'm going to take my vinyl coated clothesline wire and push it all the way through my pool noodle. Pull it over and make a loop, and I'm just going to take a piece of duct tape and I'm just going to wrap this around and just wrap that right around there. I'm going to take a heavy duty piece of floral wire and bend it over. Take a little piece of that duct tape, tape that loop over, and I'm going to take a screwdriver and just push a hole right through it. Take this needle and pull it into the hole that I've made. Take my dollar store garland through the eye of that needle and bend it over really tightly, and then pull it right through the hole. There we go. I'm gonna push my loop down in there and just feed the end of that. And now all I'm gonna do is take my garland and wrap it around. When we get to the other end, we're gonna do the same thing that we did at the top end. I have a glue gun. Make sure it's on low temp, and we're going to take some ribbon and wrap it right around the pool noodle. You wanna take some hot glue around the top of your ornaments. Take some floral wire, thread 3 of these dollar store ornaments and turn it upside down and put these underneath. And I'm going to wrap my floral wire around my pool noodle and then wrap this back around through my ornaments and twist it one more time. I always tuck the ends of the wire in. I have a command hook attached up here at the top of my door, and I'm going to take this little loop and hang that right on that loop. So here you can see how that pool noodle at the bottom is going to hold this up. I'm going to use one more command hook and I'm going to hook it right up here. So the last thing I need to do is add a small bow right here. I want to wedge this in really, really tight. I want to trim it to just beneath. I'm going to push this down into the styrofoam. So I have my large styrofoam ball here. And I'm going to push this one all the way down to the bottom. What I'm going to use now is S-pins. We'll start with this top one up here. And all I'm going to do is I'm going to take those green pins and I'm going to secure this. I'm going to unwrap this and I am going to start with this down in the bottom of my pot. I'm going to go ahead and I've got all kinds of evergreen and Christmas picks and just add those in. And I'm going to fluff it and just add it. And the next thing we're going to do is add our holly just like we did below. I'm going to finish adding all of these berries. I'm just going to add some brown paint to it.
So the first thing I want to do is roll out a big long length of it and cut it off. So the first thing I'm going to do is spray paint it white. Now I need a base and I am using this red pot and I'm putting a piece of cardboard on top so I have a nice flat base. I grabbed this metal pole and I'm just going to stick this through that slit I cut all the way down into the dirt. What I want to do is weave this gutter guard on the pole. And I'm just going to continue this way, doing kind of a Z fold and making the layers a little bit narrower as I go to the top. I'm adding a little bit of hot glue to where the gutter guard touches the pole. Now it's time to decorate. I also found some cute mini ornaments and I'm hanging these on the topiary.
The first thing I did was paint the bottom of each crate with the color green. Next, I placed some blue painter's tape in a triangle shape. I used chalk paint to paint the corners. I hot glued LED lights into place. I hot glued some Christmas bulbs into place.
I'm going to start with some white pool noodles. Have some zip ties, and I'm just going to wrap these around my railing and around my pool noodle, and I'll be ready to decorate it. I picked up this silver garland, so I'm going to tuck a white pipe cleaner underneath my zip tie and then pull it up. You see how I've done that? Wrap right around. Do that around each one. I'm going to trim off my pipe cleaners, bend those ends down. I picked up 4 of these little white Christmas trees from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to lay these right along the side using a cable tie. I am going to tuck these right underneath my garland. I picked up these foam snowflakes at Dollar Tree, and I have my little bin full of S-pins. Add these all the way down. I want to add a little bit more silver.